Allow me to ask you a question. Do you know what Google is? Or have you ever used Google? And did you know that Google can help you generate a lot of money? In this video, I'll teach you exactly how to make $220 in minutes over and over again. All you have to do is visit this brand new website and employ the new Google method that I will show in this video. You may make hundreds of dollars every single day by following and incorporating the steps. Now, I know some of you are coming from all over the world, but don't worry, this opportunity is available to you anywhere in the world. They pay you using various payment methods, including PayPal, Payoneer, ATM, Skrill, and bank transfers. Remember to stay tuned and watch to the end of this video because I'll show you how to get free bonus money when you sign up. And this will be a brand new website that no one has ever covered before. I may even show you the way to set the ultimate Google settings. This is a Google trick that I could be teaching you in case you carried out this method. You could make 3 times more money in comparison to other people, so make sure that you do not leave out this unique trick that I could be showing you in this video. Back to the video. The first thing you need to do if you want to make hundreds of dollars using Google is go into this website called shrinkme.io. This is a URL shortener that will pay you up to $220 for 10,000 views. If you want to check if this website is legitimate, open this payment option proof tab on the website's upper left side, and you'll see all the real-time payments. They pay their users, and you can see that they don't miss any payments, and that they are paid using various payment options. You can also check how much they have paid their consumers in real time. There are only 3 simple steps you need to take on this website to begin earning money right away. The first step is to create an account and sign up for it. The next step is for you to start shortening your links and sharing them with others, which I will teach you how to do later in the video. The last and final step is for you to earn your money, but there is a catch. You must pay close attention to this video because this will only work if you do it correctly, which I will teach you how to do later in the video. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, simply hover your mouse over the top right-hand corner and you'll see the register button. Simply click on this link and then register for a new membership. Now, when you sign up for a free account, you'll get $1 for free as a sign-up bonus. And once you've made $5, you can start cashing out your money. I'll show you how to generate money right now by applying my Google trick. There are daily payouts, which is why I prefer this service to others where you can utilize the same strategy to gain money, but only get paid every other week. This website pays out daily and accepts a variety of payment methods. If you're coming from different countries around the world, you can receive your payment on this website, and their minimum payment is only $5. It's really simple once you've made $5. You can start cashing out money into whatever payment method you choose. So that's how it works now. The method we'll use on this website is to go to YouTube and find a video of a very specific video. Copy the URL to that video and then return to this page and enter the link into this bar. We're going to shorten this URL, and once you've done so, you'll be able to share it on various platforms. And you'll be able to earn money every time someone clicks on it. Now let me show you the various payment rates that you will receive if people from Greenland click on your link. For every 1,000 views, you'll receive $22. You'll earn $10 if you get people from the United States to click on your link. Now you will see individuals from all over the world click on your link, and you'll be able to earn various amounts of money. This is why you should combine the Google trick, because the largest money you can earn per 1,000 views is $22 if individuals from Greenland click on your link. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best video on YouTube, because if you find a horrible video, you're not going to make much money. I'll show you how to select the greatest video. Then we'll go to this website to shorten the URL. And after we have a shortened link, we'll go to Google and apply a specific trick to multiply our money and make a lot of money with this strategy. Let's get back to the video now that we've got to YouTube. The best performing videos that I've ever seen are all about weight loss because so many people want to learn how to lose weight in this world. So when you go onto YouTube, type in weight loss videos, click on this filter and then click on this week. Now we'll find the best performing video this week because there is a brand new fresh content as well. The next thing you should do is click on this video, and then you'll see this. This is the video link. You'll click on it and then copy it. Now we'll go to shrinkme.io and paste the link right here on this tab. And then once we paste the link, you'll just have to click on this button, and they'll give you a shorter URL as you can see here. So what you can do now is simply click on this to highlight them, and then copy this link for later. Right now you can go back to Google and look for forums, specifically weight loss forums. What you'll do is search for a weight loss forum using the keyword weight loss forum. When we use the strategy, we'll find a lot of different forums where we can share the link because people who want to lose weight usually hang out and join different forums to join different discussions and find different tips to lose weight. So what you'll do is join one of these forums, such as this one. This is just one of many examples I'd like to present to you. You can find hundreds of different forums by simply searching them on Google. But make sure you stick around until the end of this video because I'll show you the #1 strategy of getting people from Greenland to click on your links so you can make more money. As you can see, if you get people from Sweden, you just make $5. But if you get people from Greenland, you'll make 4 times as much money. In a moment, I'll show you exactly how to achieve this. Let's return to the forum. Usually, you can just sign up and register for free. So for example, in this forum, click on the register button and then fill out your information. What I recommend is that you use a fake name and username and then sign up for an account. You can do this on as many forums as you want. The more forums you find, the more links you can share. However, there is one major issue with this method. You can get people from all over the world to click on your link, but how can we focus and find more people from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States so that we can make more money? This is the secret tactic that I want to show you when you do a different Google search. What you'll do is go to this setting. So I went to settings and found the advanced search, which you'll click on, and then right here you'll see this region. Greenland, for example, is the region you want to filter them on. You can find a lot of forums specifically in Greenland by doing that. And then you just repeat the same methods. And that's how you can get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. However, the forums available in Greenland are limited, so the second thing you can do is do it in Ireland or the United States. You can go back to Google and go to the settings and then to the region and search for the country you want. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. You can find various weight loss videos on YouTube, and again, this is 100% legal and ethical to use. And you will not be punished or penalized because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos, but rather sharing other people's videos. This is one method to use the Google trick because you can get very focused and specialized in a location to make more money online. But once again, you can share this link in a variety of ways. For example, you can share it on YouTube, in YouTube comments, or in other sites. You might do it on Facebook or any of your other social media platforms. Now, the more people that click on your link, the more money you'll earn. And this is how all of these people from all over the world make money. This is something that people do on a regular basis.